Hello students, this is Radheshyam Yadav. Today I am going to solve two questions on the chapter of quadratic equations for finding the roots of quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. So we will use the quadratic formula to know the nature of roots and also solve the questions. Now we will compare this with the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here a equals to 2, b equals to minus 6 and c equals to 3. Now we will first calculate the discriminant. Discriminant, that is d equals to b square minus 4ac. Now here b square is minus 6, minus 6 square minus 4 into a is 2 into c is 3. That means 36 minus 12, 36 minus 24 equals to 12. So b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So it will have two distinct roots. So nature of roots we will write nature of roots two distinct roots. Now since it has two distinct roots, now we can calculate the roots. We can find out the roots also. For that formula is quadratic formula is x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a upon 2a. So here minus b minus 6 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac, that is 12 upon 2a 2. This can be written as plus 6 plus minus this root 12 can be written as 2 into root 3 upon 4. Plus 6 plus minus 2 under root 3 upon 4. So I will take common, that is 2. So plus minus 2 I will take common, so I will get 3 plus minus root 3 upon 4. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 equals to 3 plus minus root 3 upon 2. Now the value of x will be, it will have two distinct roots. So x will become 3 plus root 3 by 2 and second will be 3 minus root 3 by 2. These are the roots of equation. So our answer is roots of equation equals to 3 plus root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2. So this will be our answer for question number 10. Now I will solve another question. First I will find out the nature of roots, and if it is greater than 0, that is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then we will go for solving. So in this question we will compare with our standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now ax here in this question, a equals to 1, b equals to 6, c equals to 5. So discriminant that is d equals to b square minus 4ac. So we will calculate b square means 6 square minus 4 into 1 into c, that is 5. So 36 minus 20, this becomes 16. So here we see that b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, since its value is 16. So it will have nature of roots means nature of roots is two distinct roots. Now we will find the roots by using quadratic formula, that is x equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So here it is b means minus 6 plus minus root 16 upon 2 into a is 1. So I will get minus 6 plus minus 4, because under root of 16 is 4. So 2. Now the value of x will be minus 6 plus 4 by 2, or minus 6 minus 4 by 2, that is minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 by 2, or minus 6 minus 4 means minus 10 by 2, that is 2 and 2 minus 1, and this gives us 2 5 are 10, that is minus 5. So the roots are minus 1 and minus 5. So in this way the question is solved. Please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.